Welcome out here to a very empty Qualcomm, aka Jack Murphy motherfucking stadium. I am the Dancing Friar standing out here in the old, beautiful area known as Qualcomm parking lot. P2, because this is where to be. Alright, we're out here doing a little action news photo, and some people are, oops, sorry, didn't mean to get that logo on there. There's a certain person. There's the other guy.
Volunteer action.
We're doing the volunteer action news. Just volunteer news?
An old cowboy went riding out one dark.
We're gonna dazzle you with our play. The time has come. You know we're shooting for number one. Pum, 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 pum. Thunderbolts and lightning will light up the sky.
You ready? 4, 3, 2. Hello, Friar Blue here at Qualcomm Stadium, formerly known as Jack Murphy Stadium. The Murph! The San Diego Chargers are playing the Kansas City Chiefs at the good old stadium over here at Qualcomm. And we're gonna take those Chiefs and send them back to Kansas City.
It's San Diego. It's San Diego. Go boats, 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 go boats. It's San Diego. We are the Chargers. Go boats, go boats, go boats, go boats. It's San Diego. Yeah, no Chargers. Go boats, go boats, go boats, go boats.
Mother Fluker.
It's San Diego.
I'm here with the volunteer news, and we're out here today at Chargers facilities and trying to prep up for the big game on Sunday. We're gonna get wild. We're going for the Bolts. I gotta say, we gotta do it. We gotta get the double. 6-1. We gotta move it on. We gotta take care of the low dropping fruit, they must say. So I'm here right now. I'm Tony Fantown. I'm here for the volunteer news, and we're here trying to report a good story for good people. San Diego, to know what's going on with the Chargers. Recently, we've had to make a lot of moves with the running backs. We made good moves, and we are here to praise Tom Telesco in his good graces. So to Tom Telesco, you're in there. How you feeling? If you don't say anything, I know you're loving it. How you feeling about this season here, Tom Telesco?
The wind! Tailgate! Tailgate!
The tailgate tragedy that's just happening right here. A large gust of wind has just happened right here in P3, and people are going crazy.
Tailgate! Papers! Debris!
Dogs and cats are living together. Massive
Debris!
We're seeing debris
Everything.
flying all over the place.
A major fumble!
This will not stop the Chargers from winning the game today, however. Here we have a couple of families.
The moral! The moral of this story! Keep your home in
A very small Katrina has happened. Yes.
I get so hung up on bones. Dr. Funk.
Right, Bebe Sirocca coming to you straight live from the best tailgate. Apparently we found the spot tailgate tested today. Bold Pride over here at P3. Come check it out. Right here you can hear the music. We should extravagate a little